Hi, this is David from Media Cybernetics. In this quick movie, we'll be showing you how to do macro recording in Image Pro Premiere. So I've got an image here. I've got a lot of images like this one, and I'm going to do a count on all of them. I'm pretty confident with the process of doing a count. The problem is it takes a lot of time. So just to save myself a little bit of time, I'm going to start by recording a macro. So as I said, let's just go through the process just a second. We know what we're going to do. We're just going to identify the dark objects, do a count, maybe view the data, export the data to Excel, and then we might even finish off by doing making a mask that we can save with the image, right? So we know exactly what we're going to do, and then we can just start recording it. So to record a macro, we go to the Automate tab. In the Automate tab, we've got the button to record macro. But just to make life a little bit easier, I've just added to the Quick Access toolbar. Just makes it a little bit more accessible. So I can go back here and say record macro, give it a name, keep it nice and sweet and short. Okay, when I click OK, it's going to record everything I do. So just to be on the safe side, I'm going to clear any count that might be on there so we don't have duplicate data, just in case. Select dark object selection, counter objects, export the data, make a mask, and then save this image. Okay. Just to finish off now, I need to close this macro. So again, same thing, I can add the stop recording button to the quick access toolbar. And just click stop recording. So that's it. Now in my macro project, I've got my little count and export data macro. I can double click on it at any time and it'll just run through, does a count and saves a mask to whatever I want it to. Note I'm actually prompted to select the file name every time. So that's it. I trust you'll find that's pretty easy, but if you have any questions, please do get in touch with your local Media Cybernetics sales representative or dealer. Thank you very much.